What's up guys, I'm glad to have you back. So right now I'm going to be making a live withdrawal from the Bittoken app. Okay, so I started talking about the app about a month ago, and I also talked about how you can actually in for free by actually accumulating these RP points right here, which will be converted to BTT tokens every 16th of every month for you. And afterwards, you can actually come and sell off at the P2P section for USDT. Okay, so since I made that video, a lot of people have been asking, will they be able to withdraw, and so many questions like that. So right now, I'm going to be converting this 558 BTT, and I'm also going to be withdrawing my USDT from this balance. Okay, so let's move into the withdrawal process right now. So first thing, we're going to click on the P2P right here. So I've already completed my KYC. I'll click on Start P2P Trading. So right here, if you look down, we have the sell and we have the buy. Okay, so I'll click on the sell right here because I want to sell my BTT tokens for USDT. Okay, so if you look at our BTT balance, I have about 558.6 BTT right here. So looking at this particular merchant, I can sell my 558 BTT to him and I'll receive 5.59 USDT. Okay, now this is because here is the current rate of USDT per BTT. Okay, so we're converting at 0.01 USDT per BTT. So I'll click on the sell button here, and here I'm going to put in the amount of BTT I want to sell. So I want to sell 558. Okay, so I'll be receiving 5.58 USDT. So I'll click on sell BTT and I will select the yes button, and I've successfully sold my BTT right here. So if I come back to my balance, so let's come back here, let's refresh this page, and here we go. The 5 USDT has been added to my previous balance here, and now I have about 14 USDT. Okay, so I'll click on the withdraw button right here to withdraw this. So here the minimum amount you can withdraw is 10 USDT. Okay, so right here we need to put our BEP20 wallet address. That's our BNB Smart Chain Network address. Okay, so here we go. After pasting it, we need to actually get a confirmation code. So I'll click on get code button here, and a confirmation code have been sent to the Telegram bot. So right here is the code. I'm just going to input it right here. Okay, then lastly, we'll be charged a fee of 5% for this. Wow, so that means we'll be charged about 0.7 USDT for this withdrawal. Okay, so let's click on the submit request button here, and the request has been submitted, and right here you can see we'll be receiving 13.57 USDT into our wallet, and this is the time and date of the withdrawal. Okay, so right now our USDT have been withdrawn from our balance. Let's see how long it will take to arrive. And guys, after waiting for about a day and few hours, the deposit finally arrived. Here's the 13.57 USDT I withdrew from Bittoken. So I placed this withdrawal on the 28th. So it actually took 2 days to arrive. Okay, and it arrived January 30th. Okay, so basically the withdrawals on Bittoken platforms is not actually as fast as other withdrawals that you might have experienced, because this actually took a long time. I had to actually contact customer care service to ask how long does the withdrawal take, and they said maximum of a week. Okay, so basically I'm just making this video so that you will know what to expect whenever you actually place your withdrawal from the Bittoken app. Okay, so to be honest, the Bittoken platform is actually not bad. It's a platform where you actually earn more whenever you get to accumulate more RP. Okay, and if you can actually hold onto your BTT for a while, also you can also come and stake it right here in the BTT staking to actually get more BTT. All right, and if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing all your return on staking right here. Okay, so if you stake for a month, you get 2.5% added to the BTT you staked, and if you stake for 3 months, you get 10% of that amount that you stake. Okay, and it goes more up to a year. If you stake for a year, you get 200%. All right, so basically I did not stake my BTT tokens because I need to make these live withdrawal videos for you to see, and I've gotten a lot of questions regarding the withdrawals, if it works or not. So here you go guys, the withdrawal actually works, and it actually takes a little while to arrive, but the main thing is that it eventually arrives into your wallet. Okay, so that'll be all for now. I hope you find this very helpful, and if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next update. Have a nice day. Bye.